Today I'm testing the top 5 car wash mitts that everyone's been raving about to see which one actually delivers the deepest clean without scratching your paint. I grabbed the most popular options from Amazon, put them through some serious testing, and honestly, the results surprised me. All the links are down in the description if you want to check them out. Let's dive in. Starting off with the Chemical Guys Chenille car wash mitt, and right away, this thing feels incredibly plush. Like you can tell it's going to hold a ton of soap. It comes in a 2-pack, which is nice because you can use one for the body and one for wheels or just have a backup. So I soaked this in my bucket and wow, the suds retention is insane. The chenille noodles just grab onto the soap and water. When I'm washing, it glides across the paint super smoothly. That 70-30 microfiber blend they talk about, you can actually feel the difference. It's soft, but still has enough texture to pull dirt away from the surface. The elastic cuff fits snugly without being too tight, which is great because I hate when mitts slip off mid-wash. After using it on a pretty dirty SUV, I rinsed it out and the dirt released easily. No clogging up or anything. Plus, it's machine washable, so that's a huge win for maintenance. Again, all Amazon links are in the description below if you want to grab any of these. Pros: exceptional suds and water retention capacity. 70-30 microfiber blend traps dirt effectively. Large 12 by 8 inch size covers more area. Secure elastic cuff prevents slipping off. Cons: can get heavy when fully saturated. Price slightly higher than budget options. Alright, next up is the Rag Company Cyclone Ultra Car Wash Mitt. And this one's interesting because it has foam padding inside. When you first hold it, you notice it's thicker than most mitts. That foam core is supposed to help with water retention, and yeah, it definitely does. What I really like about this one is how it feels in your hand. The padding gives it this cushioned sensation, so it's super comfortable during longer wash sessions. And it's double-sided, which means you can flip it and keep going without constantly rinsing. The Korean microfiber is noticeably softer than some cheaper mitts I've tried. When I was washing, I felt like the dirt was getting trapped deep in the fibers rather than just sitting on the surface. That's exactly what you want to avoid scratches. One thing though, because of that foam padding, it takes a bit longer to dry compared to regular mitts. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Pros: foam padding provides excellent comfort and control. Double-sided design extends washing time efficiently. Premium Korean microfiber feels incredibly soft, encapsulates dirt to prevent paint marring. Cons: takes longer to dry completely, slightly bulkier than standard mitts. Now let's check out the Viking car wash mitt. This one caught my attention because the microfiber strands are different lengths, which sounds weird but actually works really well. Those variable length fibers seem to reach into crevices better. The foam core on this one is dense, like really dense. It holds a surprising amount of wash solution, so you're not running back to the bucket every 30 seconds. The 10 by 8 inch size is generous too. What impressed me most was how well it handled heavy dirt. I intentionally used this on a truck that hadn't been washed in weeks, and it pulled off mud and grime without any issues. The soft knitted cuff is comfortable, and the overlock seams feel really durable. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the strands are so long that smaller hands might find it a bit unwieldy. But for most people, that shouldn't be a problem. Pros: variable length fibers enhance dirt removal. Dense foam core minimizes bucket trips. Extra plush 10 by 8 size for coverage. Durable construction with reinforced seams. Cons: long fibers may feel bulky for smaller hands. Performance is adequate, not exceptional. Alright, here's where things get interesting. The SIGA car wash mitt is way more affordable than the others, and I was curious if it could keep up. Spoiler alert, it actually holds its own pretty well. You get 2 mitts in blue and yellow, which is perfect for color coding. I used blue for the body and yellow for wheels. The chenille microfiber is soft. Maybe not quite as plush as the Chemical Guys, but still gentle enough that I wasn't worried about scratches. Absorbency is solid. It doesn't hold quite as much soap as the premium options, but for the price difference, it's totally acceptable. I washed my sedan with this and had zero issues. The mitt stayed on my hand, cleaned effectively, and rinsed out fine. The best part? It's machine washable, and at this price point, if it wears out faster, you're not breaking the bank to replace it. This is honestly a great option if you are just getting into car detailing or want a budget-friendly choice that still performs. Pros: excellent value for the price point. Color-coded system helps organize washing tasks. Soft enough to prevent scratches completely. Machine washable for easy maintenance. Cons: slightly less plush than premium mitts, may wear out faster with heavy use. Last one is the rag company Knobby mitt, and this design is different from everything else. Instead of regular noodles, it has these knobby microfiber bumps all over it. At first I thought it might be too aggressive, but it's actually still really soft. Those knobs create extra surface area, which means more dirt grabbing action. I tested this on a car with tree sap and bug splatter, and it handled it better than the flat mitts. The double-sided feature is back here too, so you get maximum use before rinsing. What's cool is how well it distributes soap. Because of all those knobs, the suds spread evenly across the mitt. It's also lint-free, which is something cheaper mitts struggle with sometimes. The only thing is, if you have really delicate paint or a show car, you might prefer something even softer. But for regular washing, especially if you deal with stubborn grime, this is fantastic. Pros: knobby texture grabs dirt more effectively. Double-sided for extended use between rinses. Lint-free design prevents residue on paint. Distributes soap evenly across surface. Cons: may be too textured for extremely delicate paint. If you want the absolute best performance and don't mind spending a bit more, the Chemical Guys mitt is the winner. It's plush, holds tons of soap, and just feels premium in every way. For comfort and innovation, the rag company Cyclone Ultra with that foam padding is unbeatable if you're doing long wash sessions. Your hands will thank you. The Viking mitt is the go-to if you need serious dirt removing power. Those variable length fibers are no joke. Now, if you're on a budget, the SIGA is shockingly good for the price. You're not sacrificing much, and the color coding is practical. If you deal with tough grime regularly, grab the rag company Knobby mitt. Those textured bumps make a real difference on stubborn dirt. Hopefully this helped you figure out which mitt is right for your setup. All the Amazon links are in the description below. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.